Hey, what's up? It's Sam from High Vis LED Lighting, FireTech Lights. Today we're here in Henderson, Nevada at the FireTrucks Unlimited grand opening. So this is their new facility where they're going to be doing a lot of stuff with paint and body work on the fire trucks. One of the unique things they're able to do with our FireTech product is mount it in the sweet spot between where the windshield gasket is, right above the windshield glass, and the top radius edge of the cab. Because they've got all this body work in-house, they can add the bracket kits and add the light bars right where they need to be to maximize light on the fire ground. Now, we also learned today they've got some really cool new Type 3 brush trucks, some really cool work they're doing in the EMS marketplace with regard to refurbs and remounts. The FireTech strategy for 2018 is to develop and grow the EMS marketplace. And of course, FireTrucks Unlimited is one of our great partners on the West Coast. For more information, check them out online at firetrucksunlimited.com, or you can always see the FireTech product at www.highvisleds.com, or follow us on Facebook. Anyway, we're looking forward to growth with FireTrucks Unlimited. Congrats on the new facility, and we'll look forward to seeing you guys soon. See you later.